Hi everybody. I am wearing my confirmation shirt from 5771, last year's confirmation class. They did a lot of study about the Ten Commandments, and this is my subtle way to remind you that if you have not filled out the God survey yet, you have until the end of the week to do it. We're going to be speaking about it and teaching about it over the High Holy Days, and we would really love your opinions and thoughts and reflections on what you believe or what you don't believe or what you question or what have you. We look forward to discussing your responses during the High Holy Days. A couple other things. We have Minyan this Thursday morning at 7:45. Services are at 6:30 p.m. this Friday night. We have services as well, 10:30 on Shabbat morning. In addition, far into the future, after High Holy Days, and you're going to get your High Holy Day materials very shortly, on Friday, October 5th, there is a new First Friday service beginning. It'll be at 6:30 at night. The songs, the music is all very new. It's an innovative, exciting new service we're going to try out this year. And if you'd like to learn some of the tunes, they'll be on the website very shortly. As well, we should have a CD for you for the High Holy Days so you can learn all the wonderful new music. We wish you a Shabbat Shalom and a good week.